It feels great. I mean, it's been over a year and a half. It's a great accomplishment, and I think that, as I mentioned at the ceremony earlier, just seeing everyone else happy and the joy it brings to everybody else and knowing that we've hit our first major milestone makes me a lot happier as well.
Gratifying to see them accomplish that journey, to see all that hard work come to bear.
All the brothers are amazing, all of them willing to help one another. There's never been a point in time where I've looked at the people in my brotherhood and thought I don't want to be around them.
True merit and fraternity of the year at UNC Charlotte. That is the goal, both in the same year. Hit them both.